Friday is going to be a big deal around here. Monday night into early Tuesday of this week, we had wind gusts that were on the order of 45 to 60 miles per hour. Well, statewide tomorrow, there is a risk of some very high wind gusts. This could be more significant than what happened earlier this week. Intense winds, some large hail, and a tornado possible within a few stronger thunderstorms that could affect parts of west central Alabama through tomorrow morning and early afternoon. So let's talk about timing. Here's the outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. The orange here represents where numerous reports of wind damage could occur. So think of this less in terms of where you can expect a lot of severe thunderstorm warnings or tornado warnings, but where we're just going to get blasted with high wind and heavy rain over West Alabama from about 8 a.m. to noon, 8 a.m. at the earliest, noon at the latest. 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. is where we think the worst of the wind will be in Jefferson, Shelby, St. Clair, Cullman, Blount, eastern Walker County through Chilton, Coosa County, Bibb County. It starts getting closer to Sylacauga, Talladega, Munford, Anniston, Weaver, Jacksonville, up to Center and Galesville and Forney a little bit after lunchtime to about 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And then it is out of here by 4 o'clock on Friday. So here it is without all the colors on it so that you can pick out your place a little bit easier. 8 a.m. to about 4 p.m. That's when we're on high alert. Boy, it's been beautiful today, though. Temperatures are in the 60s right now. There's not a drop of rain showing up on radar, but moisture is already increasing from the west ahead of this storm system, which doesn't look like that much right now. But this is going to spin up a very intense area of low pressure that keeps drawing moisture up from the Gulf of Mexico. And hour by hour overnight, the wind starts increasing. Look at this, 1 o'clock in the morning, you may start to hear it rustling over West Alabama. Still pretty calm east of Birmingham. And then into the early morning hours, rain spreads in, and here's where the wind really starts to howl. Around 44 miles per hour at Haleyville as early as 6 a.m., 33 miles per hour at Utah, 33 in Birmingham, maybe as high as 37 around Anniston and Sylacauga, in particular on the high terrain here in the Horse Block Mountains, up around Lookout Mountain, Sand Mountain. It will already be roaring by the time the sun comes up. And then as these waves of showers and thunderstorms move through, we're going to go 50, maybe 60 or 70 miles per hour. You see the red spots up here in North Alabama, in particular, Sand Mountain right there, Lookout Mountain, Brindley Mountain Plateau from Cullman east over toward Arab. We're going to get some serious wind up in that area. And then the ridges even in the Birmingham Metro and Shelby County and Jefferson County, St. Clair County, southern Blount County, up on Blount and Pine, and then over to Chandler Mountain, Lookout Mountain, Mount Cheaha, potentially higher than 60 miles per hour. So here's the breakdown for tomorrow. Rain developing and wind developing in the morning, blasting through in the afternoon. Temperatures will be in the 60s on Friday, 40s and 50s over the weekend. Weekend looks quiet, and then we get smacked again early next week with some significant weather. We'll start out here with Monday, a band of rain, sleet, and snow developing as temperatures start plunging. By Monday night into Tuesday morning, whatever falls and accumulates is going to be there as temperatures fall way below freezing. Up to an inch of snow and sleet possible as far south as Birmingham, maybe a bit more north of there. And then look how cold it is next week. Wind chills close to 0 to 10 degrees by Tuesday morning, and highs only in the upper 20s Tuesday, lower 30s Wednesday. Brittany?
Jason, that does not